In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Shopee platform and explore their affiliate program opportunities. Whether you're a budding influencer or an established digital presence, this will guide you through the essential steps to potentially join the Shopee affiliate program, offering you a chance to monetize your content. Let's begin our journey by addressing the very first step. You'll want to open up your preferred browser and head over to the Shopee website. Make sure you're visiting the official site to ensure your safety and security while online. Once the page loads, you'll be welcomed by their signature orange-themed interface, which many have come to recognize. Now, finding your way around might seem daunting if you're new to Shopee, but worry not. It's really quite user-friendly. Our next goal is to locate the Help Center, which you'll typically find nestled in the footer of the homepage. The Help Center is an invaluable resource for uncovering detailed information about all that Shopee offers, from shopping tips to partnership opportunities. In our case, it will serve as the gateway to learning about the Shopee affiliate program. Once you're in the Help Center, you'll see a variety of topics to explore, but today we're focusing on affiliate opportunities. You can use the search function to type in keywords like affiliate program or join as an affiliate. This section will provide you with detailed information on the Shopee affiliate program. It outlines the steps you need to follow and the qualifications required. This is where you'll learn that to qualify, you generally need to have at least one post on any social media platform within the last 14 days. It serves as a testament to your active online engagement, a crucial factor when considering affiliate ventures. Exploring the criteria in detail will allow you to prepare accordingly. If the requirements are right up your alley, you'll find information on how to apply, often through a dedicated form or application process. Make sure to adhere to all guidelines and include any necessary documentation or links to your social media accounts as requested. And that brings us to the conclusion of this straightforward but potentially impactful journey. Once you're confident that you've met the criteria, applying is a simple matter of following the instructions provided in the Help Center. After submission, keep an eye on your email for any follow-up information or approvals. With these steps, you've successfully navigated Shopee's website and uncovered potentially lucrative partnership opportunities through their affiliate program. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned affiliate marketer, remembering there's always room for growth and partnership can open new doors. Stay proactive and consistent with your content. And remember that success in affiliate marketing often grows from persistence and creativity. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, happy marketing.